What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create free in Microsoft Word. Crafting a resume in Word is a great choice because it offers a variety of free templates that you can choose from and customize to reflect your personal style and professional experience, helping you land the job you've been aiming for. Utilizing these templates not only gives you a head start, but also saves you time, allowing you to focus on tailoring the content to match your unique qualifications and career goals. Open the Microsoft Word application on your computer to get started. Click on the File tab at the top left of your screen and then select New. In the search bar that appears, type Resume or CV and press Enter, or click the search icon. This will prompt Word to display a variety of resume templates. Scroll through the available templates to find the one that suits your professional needs and personal style. Word offers a wide range of designs, from modern and sleek to more traditional formats. Once you've chosen a template, click on it and then select Create. This will download the template and open a new document based on that template. The template will include placeholder text and formatting, guiding you where to input your personal details like your name, address, phone number, and personal experience. Each section of the template is fully customizable. If you find that an element of the template isn't exactly to your liking, perhaps you want to move your last name section or prefer a different font, you can easily adjust these elements just as you would in any other Word document. As you fill out your resume, remember that the most effective resumes are those that are specifically tailored to the job you're applying for. Highlight skills and experiences that match the job description, and consider removing or de-emphasizing less relevant details. Creating a resume in Microsoft Word is straightforward, and with the right template, you can quickly put together a professional-looking document that makes a strong impression on potential employers. The goal of the resume is to make it clear why you're the best candidate for the job, so take the time to make sure it looks clean, organized, and professional. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.